So this is how to make your first website in HTML. This is the easiest way I know to teach you. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to your desktop and create a folder called projects. All right, so once you have that folder, go to your web browser, whatever one you have, and go install Chrome web browser. The next thing you're going to want to do is go install Sublime Text, which is a little text editing program. You can see here, I just found it on Google. When you go to this site, you just click the download button. Go ahead and install that. So the next thing you're going to do is go to w3schools.com, then scroll down to that part where we looked at where it had the little HTML code snippet. You're going to want to copy that. And then open Sublime Text. And then paste that code snippet in there. You can see I'm doing this now. From that point, what you're going to want to do is just click File, Save, or you can hit your shortcut key to save. For me, I just named it like my first website. Make sure that .html extension, file name extension at the end of it is there. So once that's saved, you'll see the tab up at the top will show like where that file is located. I'll show you. It's in the projects folder now. Okay, so now that we have that, my first website HTML saved in our projects folder, we can just right click and then open in Chrome. And you can see now your web page. Here's the other method where you can just drag and drop it into Chrome, that file specifically into Chrome. And you can see now your web page. So you can see the HTML is there and that's your website. So that's pretty much the most basic, simple example I can give you of how to run HTML code locally on your computer. Hope that helped. All right, so here's a little sneak preview of the next video. I'm going to show you how to use Chrome DevTools, which is super important. If you want to learn how to program in a way that's not going to like bog you down with like overcomplicated terms and you just want some straightforward, actionable information, then I'm probably the guy you should follow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later.